Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 40, the living organisms and their surroundings. In this worksheet, we will discuss about response to stimuli, respiration process and also excretion and movement by the organisms. Stimuli, all living beings respond immediately to sudden changes. How do you respond? If you suddenly step on a sharp object like a thorn while walking barefoot. And how do you feel when you see or think about your favorite food? We, all of us, respond immediately to such changes. So, the changes in our surroundings that makes us respond to them are called stimuli. तो बच्चों स्टिमुलाई क्या होते हैं और रेस्पॉन्स क्या होता है? Changes that makes us respond to them are called stimuli. For example, when all of a sudden light flashes, animals or human beings respond according to their situations. Let us practice. What happens to cockroaches when we switch on the light in the kitchen? किचन में सडनली स्विच ऑन करने से कॉकरोचेस पर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है? Cockroaches begin to move to their hiding places if the light in the kitchen is switched on at night. So, this is the example of stimuli and respond. Now, we will discuss respiration. Is respiration a common factor for all living things? Do all living things respire, or can we live without breathing? No. Respiration is a necessary process for all living organisms to survive. लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को सर्वाइव करने के लिए कौन सा प्रोसेस ज़रूरी है? रेस्पिरेशन. रेस्पिरेशन क्या होते हैं बच्चों? When we inhale, the air moves from outside to the inside of our body, and when we breathe out, the air moves from inside our body to outside. Breathing is a part of a process called respiration. Respiration में क्या होता है? In respiration, some of the oxygen of air we breathe in is used by living body, and we breathe out the carbon dioxide produced in this process. It is the process through which their body gains energy from the food they take. During the process of respiration, energy is released by using oxygen and the food we take. Some animals do have different mechanism for exchange of gases. For example, earthworm. Earthworm breathe through their skin. Earthworm कैसे breathe करता है? Through their skin. Also, fish have gills for absorbing oxygen dissolved in water. So, for exchange of gases, fishes are used gills. Plants make the use of their leaves for exchange of gases. Plants में exchange of gases कैसे होता है? Through their leaves. Their leaves contain tiny pores. These pores are called stomata, through which they release oxygen and use carbon dioxide. Now we will discuss about excretion. Excretion क्या होता है बच्चों? All living beings eat food, but a very small part of that food is absorbed in the body, and the rest is removed from the body. क्या होता है? All living beings eat food, but a very small part of these food is absorbed by the body, and remaining undigested food is removed from the body. So, this process of removal of undigested food from the body is called excretion. Now, what is the difference between breathing and respiration? So, you should know the difference between breathing and respiration. Breathing क्या होती है बच्चों? Is a biological process of inhaling and exhaling of gases. To inhale the gas and exhale the gas. This process is known as breathing. Between the exchange of gases take place between the cells and the environment. What do you mean by respiration? Respiration is a chemical process that takes place within the cell and release energy during the respiration. Now we will discuss about movement. Is movement required by all living things? Most of the living beings move from one place to another and also show other body movements. So most of the living beings show movement or movements of the parts of the body. Plants are generally anchored in soil, so they do not move from place to place or one place to another place. But various substances like water, minerals move from one part of the plant to the other part of the plant. So they show movement in this way. Now question answer. Breathing is you have to write biological process. Biological process, while the respiration is a chemical process. So you have to write chemical. Thanks for watching.